Hi, this is Jan Harrell at Cool Tools in Wisconsin, and I have a great tip for you. Glitter and glue is not just for kids, and you can use it in an enameling technique. I've got a great technique for adding embellishments to your enamel projects. Sometimes you get to a certain point, the enamels are looking good, but boy, it needs something. It needs a little bit of oomph, a little bit of pizzazz. What do? Well, I have developed this technique that I call glitter and glue. So let me show you how to do that. I'm going to work on these two panels today. The first thing we're going to do is grade sift out the fines. So I have a 325 mesh in here, a cover pan on the bottom, a quarter in the middle, and I'm using a red because I like red. We're going to put the whole amount in here. We're going to put the cover pan on top, and we just sift. So what you're trying to do in this process is eliminate the very, very fine grains. And I'm going to show you why that's important in just a minute. Let's see what we have. So we have quite a few fines in there, and this would have left a little bit of a haze on your enamel project. So we're not going to use this part, and we'll use the top end. I'm probably putting it in a 100 mesh sifter, 100 or 200, not that important at this point. But I'm going to get my sifter ready. You want it ready. You don't want to do this pouring process later on because you need this ready to work with. I don't know what was on here last, and we don't want any kind of material to stick to the those enamel surfaces, so I'm taking some alcohol and I'm just going to go across the top and clean them. So we want this clean. One of the few times we don't use a surfactant. Yep. So those have no fingerprints, and they're ready to go. So this little tool is used in embossing. If you're a stamper, you probably have seen this. It comes in a clear, it also comes in black. The color doesn't matter at all. This is a felt tip pen tip, but it also comes in a brush tip. I'm going to draw with this. I can't see where I'm drawing, but that's okay. And then I take my enamel, I sift it till I can't see my pattern at all, and then I dump it. So you might have remembered doing glitter and glue when you were little. You would put Elmer's glue down, you would sift over the top of it with glitter, and then you dump it out, and you got it all over your house, and your mother got mad at you. But that's the glitter and glue technique. Now I can come back in and change this line if I'm not satisfied with it by doing a simple sgraffito. But I like the fact that it looks like it's the mark of the maker. Someone's been here. Every little area is a little different. I'll come back and add some more. But this just might be what you need to finish off a piece. If you don't like what you've done, just take and sgraffito the whole thing off. So just a really fun addition of color to a piece, and then we fire it in the normal manner. 2 minutes at 1400 degrees. Here's another piece. This is the one I showed in a previous video. It's got a couple of layers in here, but it needs something. It's not very happy. So I'm just going to add some dots here around the edge. These pens don't last very long, but they're really inexpensive. And for what they do, I think they're priceless. Oh, that's just great. So you're only putting a small amount of enamel on here, so this almost always has to be opaque. Otherwise you couldn't see it. It just wouldn't show up. You can get carried away with this. This is a simple, straightforward way to add a little accent to one of your enamel projects.
Visit our Learning Center at cooltools.us for more cool jewelry making videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and be sure to sign up for our email list to be the first to hear about new videos, new products, and other cool stuff from Cool Tools.